Hello friends, welcome back to School Management System in Laravel. In this video also continue chat module. Last video I will show you how to make a online status. For this like a users like a admin, teachers, whatever like a parents and students we have made a like a online status. So in this video we can continue like a send like a files, otherwise images, whatever do you want to send. So you can here you can click and choose, and after we can show here name whatever you choose, and after click on the send button, otherwise do you want to write message, so also write message. After you can click on the send message, so we need to send images, otherwise files, whatever do you want to send, and here provide like download button, so you click on, so this image also download. So I will show you how we can do it. Okay, so simple, just log in to your account and go to your resources. Inside views, inside need to go to chat, and inside we need to go to like a our chat. Let's see, I think here is a, let's make some zoom out so look like better. So here is the message inside we have provided like a images button, you can see it here. So hidden field we need to also use like a input fields. So here we need to pass like a data, like a encrypted data. So let's type here, you also encrypt types multi-part form data, multi-part slash form data. I think spelling mistake generate multi-part, yes, multipart slash form data. So now we have this is the button for the image uploading. Okay, so here just we need to use like a input fields, input type is equal to files, and name is equal to file name, I think so, yes, file name. And when to also need to use here like ID, so we know okay which ID against we need to open these files. So once I will click on this button like FF images, I will click here, so we need to open the image, so I can choose the images, and images otherwise file, whatever do you want to like you can do it here, and just provide like ID is equal to file name. Okay, so everything is good. Now we need to did here like a one coding. Suppose I will click here images, means this is the like FFF images. So once I will click, so open the select the file, so we can provide here one ID also inside a links open file. Okay, once I will click for this ID like open files, so we need to choose the like a files, I click here. Okay, so let's do to go to your jQuery, so just go to list.blade.php, and inside we need to do this one. Let's go to back and refresh the page, so you can see it here is a file choosing there, but we can display none, we can set once we have done this code. So just go inside, first go to here, and let's go to down, and here we can write a function like open file. So just you can copy and paste, and here you can change open file, here you can make like a click, and also you can copy paste this one, so we can do it quickly, no any other reasons. Okay, so we can do it quickly. Now we need to write here code, like a file name, this is the ID we did, so just we need to copy this ID, and we need to write like a trigger. So trigger wise we need to open this file, so just trigger dot clicks, means like this is a trigger event we need to use. Okay, so let's go back again and we can check working not working. Okay, I just save these files, I just go back again, and I refresh the, means I choose the file like any file I can choose. Go to, okay, this is the file I choose, so you can see it like a trigger, you can see it here. I click, so automatic open, I can choose here, also showing the name, but we don't want to do like this. Okay, so just go back again, and we can do here display none, we don't want to show this name, style display none. So this is the input file we are showing, we don't want to show, this reason I use here display none, so you can see it now is a clearly. Suppose I can choose any file like this, so is a file choosed, but we don't know which file I have choosed. So we need to do like a change event for this file, so just we need to create another jQuery inside function like a event like body file name change, and here we can write like a code dollar this means this is the file name id. So just you can type like a this dot file 0 dot name. So here you can getting the file name. So I can show you, don't worry, using the spec element console.log, and here you can see it. Okay, just go back again, refresh the page and click on the F12, so you can open your like a spec element. Suppose you are using the Windows. Okay, so just clear here and I can choose the files like 96. So you can see 96.png. So whatever you can choose, this file name you are getting here. Okay, so this is the file name we need to show inside a like our message set system. So we need to create one span here, span. So we can show here span get file name, I think id get file name. So just go back again and we can do like a jQuery code again dot html. We can use the html events like html functions dot html after I provide like a file name here. And let's save these files and just go back again and refresh the page. So you can see it here file name. So let's use here file. So you can see here you can see it like a file name. Suppose you are changing this file name, so you see change the file name. Whatever file do you want to upload, so this is the file name here showing. You can see it like big one, so big one showing. So this is the working very well, no issue. Okay, so here whatever file you are choosing, so this is the done. Now we need to write like a, once I will click on the send message, so here is a message required and also here is a file do you want to upload, so you can upload the files. Okay, so we need to do this is the coding inside a app http controller. Inside we can go to like chat controller. Once I will submit, so here we are getting the request. So let's make a dd, so we can see we are getting the data. Okay, we are not getting the data of the files. So just save these files and just go back again, refresh the page and I open the spec elements. Okay, so just choose 96 and I click on the right, hey download this file for the homework. Okay, I click on the send. So here is a firing the request and here is a 500, so means is a data getting. So you can see it file name also I get here. So why is getting the file name? Because of we have done before like a ajax coding like this, like process data false and content type also false. This reason also is sending the files. Okay, I can clear again. Why is doing? Because of the we have done before this reason. Otherwise do you have not done before, so you need to write like this code like process data false and content type false, so is sending the file. Otherwise impossible to send the file. Also data you can use direct same like this, like new form data bracket inside this. Okay, so this is the solution. And now I need to go to chat controller. Here we need to write a like uploading file code here. So let's do now and just open our database so we can see it. Here is a we have done like this column name like a file uploading name, so we can easily understand. And also I can check my code. So code inside I have created a folder about the chats. I can open the schools.com. Inside going to uploads, inside we need to create a new folder for the chat. So whatever file upload, so is going to this folder. Okay, chat one. So let's go to back again and we need to go to any controller and we need to copy for this code like uploading files, so we can do it quickly. This is the point, otherwise no any point to other go to other controller go. Okay, so any place we have right, so just go to like home controller. Inside we have did like this coding like document files, just copy and paste here. And here you can change like homework to chat, and we can check like our database what is the column name here there. So let's go to back and just open the schools.com, and inside you can go to like chat, so we can check here is a file name there cannot there. Okay, here there is a like files, just we have write like words file, so just copy this name and put here files. So here file name, and also you can change like homework to chat, and also you can change like document file to like a file name, whatever name we have provided inside a chat. So let's go to messaging, and here there is a file name, so just copy and change here. Okay, so this is the done, no any issue. Just save these files and just go back again, refresh the page, and after you can add upload one file. So let's see is working not working. Hey, I am testing, and I just choose the files like 96, and I just click on the send. So is a f str is required because we have not declared this str, because we have a use here this reason. So just copy and just put here like use str, no anything else. Okay, just is a simple, just you use str, you can declare and save these files and just go back again and clear everything and just click on the send again. So is a message, hey, I am testing is working very well, but this file is also not clear. So simple, just we need to clear this file. So just go to back again, here we are getting our response. So just you can copy and paste here, and here you can make like a null, and also you can change here like a well. Okay, and also we don't want to show this message, so also message need to clear. So just you can change like get file name, and here you can also type like a html blank. So this is the also going to blank. Okay, so this is the done also. So let's go to back again, refresh the page, and I can select like other files, hey, and I can select any other files, whatever you want to, like you can choose. Now the same file, I just click on the send, so you can see clear, and also I cleared selected images, also here sending the message, but here not showing the whatever send this file name here. So let's go to back into chat folder. So here is a file there, not there, so you can see like both file there. So file uploading working very well, no issue. Let's go to inside database inside we can check. So this is the file name there, so just go to last messages, so you can see it also here file name there. So everything working very well, so no issue. Okay, so now we need to create another function inside set model, so we can get our file URL. Suppose here file there, so we need to show like download button, he click on the download, so he can download the files. So let's show you how we can do it. Okay, so just go to like model, inside need to go to chat model, and here we need to make like a function, one function get file. Okay, so if you can go any place, like lots of function we have developed, but I am typing right now this function dollar this file, means a file means is the database column name. For this column is not empty, and file exist for the upload slash chat slash file name, and else part return blank. Okay, and here we can do is like a path of the file name. So URL we can provide this path. So here we are writing the file. Suppose here we have made like a two conditions. Suppose file name is there, and also is a file exist for this path. So we need to go and we need to provide URL. Otherwise we don't want to provide a URL. So simple. It's not like big deals. Okay. So let's go to now again like a single inside we have did like a sender against whatever file you upload, and like a receiver against whatever file you upload. Means sender ID and receiver to receiver. So just we need to write here messages like let's try here how it looks. So like download first, let's make a design so we can understand. Href download and slash close this one. Also we can do it here, and let's go back again, refresh the code so you can understand. So look like so is looking not great, because here showing like this one, so we can add inside so just close, and you can put here, and here you can do like a div inside, you can put download, and here same thing you can do it here also. So just removing, and you can put here. So let's see how it looks. So after we can decide is look like better cannot better. Okay, so save these files and just go back again, refresh the page, otherwise you can click here, so also works. Yes, looking like great, no issue. Here is the download button, here also download button. whatever do you want to like attachment do you want to write to attachment, you can write download, you can write download. Let's write attachment, so look like better attachment. Let me check this spelling is good or not good, so just copy this name and you can enter inside Google, so you can get a correct spelling. So attachment spelling like this. Okay, just go back and we can change. Okay, now we have created already function, so we can use this function. Just copy this function and here you can make condition if is not empty dollar value get file, so it's going to inside. Same thing we can do at bottom, but we can do here copy paste, so we don't want to do like this. And here you can provide like a URL and here just write like a download and target blank. So same thing you can do inside a bottom, just copy and paste. Okay, so it is done. Let's go back and check is working not working. And here I refresh the page and let me check what's the error. Will you get chat files? I think no any error, I don't know. Chat model inside get file. Okay, let's go to chat model. Here already did get files. I made a mistake of the spelling. No, everything is good. Just go back again. Call to undefined method app chat get files. Oh, I think we need to write here statics. Let's see. Oh, because of the I did like a class model. I have not did inside chat model. Just copy and close this class one class model. Just go to chat model. Inside you can put. Sorry about that. I have made a mistake. Wrong file. I have write code like a no need to write the class model. Just write inside chat models. I can told you first. I have write before like class model inside, but we need to write this code inside a chat model because name is like a mix up. This reason I am misunderstanding. Okay, I save these files. I just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it like attachment because we have sent, and also here you can see downloading working very well. Okay, let's log in for the students, so I can show you here also showing the file, cannot showing the files. Okay, schools.com, and I go to for the student account, so students, and I log in for the student1 test.com license student for what's the name there, student1. Yes, student1 test.com, just 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, I just go to chat message, see all. So here you can see it online with 6 minutes ago. I click here, so also you get showing the two attachment is it downloading. Okay, I got it, and my submit work, and here you also make a attachment. So just go and choose anyone, and I click in the send, so you can see his attachment also send. So suppose I can go here and I refresh the page, so also you can see it like online, and here you can see it like a attachment. So his attachment also work, you can see it here downloading also works. So means is like a everything working very well, no issue about the sending file. There lots of people ask me about the sending file, so we have already done. Okay, like sending the images. So now here is a remaining for this part, like here is a total count messaging, and just here total saying. After you click on here, we don't want to show like this pop-up because we don't want to need this pop-up. Just remove the pop-up. Here you can clicking, so automatic going to here, and after you can choose whatever do you want to go, because you also showing the here count, same like here seeing before. Once I will click, so his count is gone. Suppose I can go to for this teachers. Okay, and I just send a message hi, just send a message hi, and I just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it automatic showing here count 1. I will click here, so count is gone. Also you can see it like a message working. So this is the chat part. I already explained like very well. Just here remaining about the counting, like counting I can show you next video. After I think is anything is remaining. Yes, one part also remaining is a requirement about emoji. So I can implement next part like a total messages, and also we can implement like a emojis. So is the chat part we can done. And after I will see some requirement like other, like we need to create like a result inside a PDF file. So I will create one video for the PDF file result, so you can do it. And also I have a requirement like export import, so I can show you how to make an export, so you can do it in your own way, like other part do you want to do, so you can do it this reasons. Okay, I hope do you want to understand everything. So do you have any questions, so please comment out. And do you want to like this video, so please like. And do you want to see like this video more, so please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.